Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL RT8 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. Let's begin with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. At the top we've got the option languages and input, so let's enter and tap on the languages at the top. Right here we've got the list of all currently kind of applied or preferred languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. Let me choose maybe Greek. Just tap on it, choose the region. And as you can see, the language will immediately appear on this list. However, the English in my case is still a main one, so we have to reorder the languages. Let's tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, right now we've got the Greek language applied. Of course, if you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Let me quickly change it to English. All you have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now let's mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.